Hey everyone, it's Lars, and I'm inviting you to discover Labyrinths this summer with me, both in person and online. First of all, we're going to be in New Harmony, Indiana, this July for a Veritas Labyrinth Summer School. We're going to have the opportunity to walk three exquisite labyrinths together. This Harmonist Hedge Labyrinth, which is actually one of the oldest labyrinths in the United States. It's a classical labyrinth, and they also have an exquisite replica of the Chartres Cathedral Labyrinth. And finally, a local designer has created an incredible contemporary labyrinth in his backyard. So join me on July 14th for a one-day immersion into sacred geometry with special guest Kent Schutte, who was the original landscape architect who created the Cathedral Labyrinth there in New Harmony. On July 15th, Saturday, we'll have a class on classical labyrinths and visit the studio of Ben Nicholson, whose hand-drawn, precise renderings of labyrinths in over 300 different designs. On Sunday, we're going to study the Chartres Labyrinth with my mentor, Robert Ferre, and he's been to Chartres Cathedral 53 times. So Hill and I will discuss all the ins and outs of the incredible Chartres Labyrinth. And on Monday, there'll be a spiritual workshop with Kay Mutert, a master teacher of the Veritas faculty, exploring the history of New Harmony and the stories about the past, present, and future in terms of improving ourselves. On Tuesday and Wednesday, Kay and I will be leading a Labyrinth facilitator training together, where you'll have the opportunity to learn how to create your own workshops and lead groups in the Labyrinth experience. So join me this summer in New Harmony, July 14th, 19th. You can register for a single day or for the entire week at a discount. Lodging at the New Harmony Inn is only $89 a night with our special discount. Visit veritas.org/calendar to register or find out more information about the week. And if you're unable to attend in person, we're hoping to create a virtual experience on veritas.teachable.com, where you can find other self-paced pre-recorded classes to learn how to draw the classical and Chartres labyrinths. Thanks and be well. Bye-bye.